her goal is not in her. She's a dime.
Think more about the lifestyle than the money that you're trying to make. Now you might say, well, Wesley, why should I think more about the lifestyle than money? Because the lifestyle is what you want. I keep hearing this over and over again. Like when I'm driving my Lamborghini, oh, hey, Bell, you're a millionaire? People ask me that. Are you a millionaire? And I say, yes. Well, how can I make a million? I say, you don't want to make a million. You want $1 million lifestyle. Do I need to focus on how to do something? Do I need to take action? Absolutely, you got to take action. But you're taking action to get the life. You don't know exactly how the millions of dollars are going to come into your life. But if you don't know exactly what you're going to do with the money before you actually get the money, you're going to be lost. You're going to spend the money faster than you receive it. And then you're going to find yourself broke. The quality of questions will birth the quality of life that you will live. So my question to you is this: what does the successful, great lifestyle means to you?